Hello, you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, my name is Jivna, and welcome to this channel Glam Hairs, where I make videos on hairstyle. So, if you're interested, please subscribe to my channel and please do hit a like. So, yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with the video.
For the first hairstyle, take a pin and then tie it with a rubber band. And just below 4 inches, you can tie another rubber band. Make a hole just above the second rubber band and pull your ponytail through it. Now pinch and pull the hair to make it look fuller. And this process is known as teasing. Now, as you're done teasing, take all your hair into a ponytail like this. And that's it, we are done with the hairstyle. This hairstyle is really very easy and quick that anyone can do. Coming to the second hairstyle, take a side part and then take a small section like this, twist it and then secure it with a clip. Take one more small section, twist it and secure it with the same clip. Now we are gonna repeat the same process. Secure all the sections with the same clip. You can use one more clip if you want to. Now take a small section just above your face and part it into 3 sections. And take your right strand over the middle and your left strand over the middle. Now take your right strand over the middle and add hair to the middle strand. And then take your left strand over the middle and add hair to the left strand too. Now we are going to repeat the same steps. Now as we have reached the mid part of her head, I'm gonna add hair from only one side of the braid, that is from the right side. Now take your right strand over the middle, add hair to the strand and take your left strand over the middle without adding any hair to the left strand. Now I'm just gonna do a regular 3-stranded braid. And then tie it with an elastic. I'm gonna keep that braid away and tie all the hair into a ponytail. I'm gonna wrap the braid around the elastic of the ponytail. Now take the ends of the braid from under the braid and take it under the ponytail. Secure it with a bobby pin. That's it, we are done with the second hairstyle. I hope you all like this hairstyle. Third hairstyle, take a poof and secure it with a bobby pin. Now just beside your poof, take a small section and start twisting by adding hair to the twist like this. Add hair from the sides to the twist and then twist the hair. Again add hair from the sides to the twist and twist the hair again. Twist all the hair from the sides. Now we are going to repeat the same process on the other side as well, that is on our left side. Now secure it with a bobby pin as well. Now take all your hair into a ponytail. Now remove the bobby pins and tie all your hair into a ponytail. Now you can also remove the clips And that's it, we are done with the hairstyle. Coming to the fourth hairstyle, I'm keeping the third hairstyle same and tying one more rubber band just below the 4 inches of our first rubber band. And now I'm gonna pinch and pull the hair like this. Tie one more rubber band 4 inches down to the second rubber band and then pinch and pull the hair. I'm gonna tie another rubber band and repeating the same process. I'm gonna continue to do it till the end of my hair. And that's it for the fourth hairstyle. It's so cute, right? Bye guys, take care.